Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. There are multiple ways to use images in ReactJS. Depending on your requirement, you can call each image individually, or you can create an object, list images in a file, and call these from there by using a map function. Let's look into it. This is my app.js file and project is running here. First of all, let me show you. I have got this images directory in public directory. Images folder in public directory. And it's got logo-1.png, logo-2, logo-3, logo-4 inside this images folder. And then I also have got img folder containing same images in src folder. Then I have got index1.js in img folder. And I have got index2.json and index3.js file. So we have got two directories for same images. One is inside the public directory and second is inside src folder or directory. One way to use images in ReactJS is to import it. Import, let's say, logo from img logo-1.png, and then we can use it like this: img src logo class name logo art. Save, and this is the result. We have got our logo. Logo 2. Now this image is being called from img directory, that is inside src directory. You need // in path here. In my case, // means in same directory. Like app.js is inside src, and then it's got img directory and then the image file. Without it, import won't work. You can call image from src folder or from anywhere in your app by using this method. Our second way is to use require image. Require from img directory and then file name. Save, but it is not working. In case require doesn't work, you can use .default after require, and here is our image. Again, you need this // here. In my case, // means in same directory. Without it, require won't work. You can call image from src folder or from anywhere in your app by using this method. If I will remove this // then it won't work. So you need this, and now the image will work. Then we have got another method. I have images folder in public directory also. This images folder. We can call images from public directory also. Public directory is not processed by webpack. You don't need import statement to call images from public directory. Just place images in public directory and call like this. images logo 1. Save, and it is working. Logo 3, save, and this is logo 3. Public directory is outside src folder. This is public directory and this is src directory, and our app.js is inside src, and public directory has got images folder, but we didn't use any path here. If we use exact path, it won't work. But dot slash will work. But why use dot slash here? Don't use dot slash in case you are using images from public directory. So to call image from public directory, this is the method, exactly like you use in HTML. What if you need to use a remote image? You can use generic image tag and src method as you do in HTML to display a remote image in ReactJS from an image URL. We will use remote image URL from a website. That is this website. And it provides a URL to display image. In src, we will just use this URL. Save. And this is the image. You can also place image URL in a variable and call it like let URL. Let's use this URL here, and instead of this path we'll use URL here, that variable. This will also work. We used images one by one in these examples. What if we want to keep image URLs in separate file and call images from there one by one depending on requirement? Or what if we want to apply map function to call all images from a separate file? We have solution for that as well. Let's create a JavaScript file in img directory. In our src folder, we have got img directory and we have got index1.js file, JavaScript file. We are going to use require here, but require needs .default. So const images logo 1 require logo-1.png .default. So this JavaScript file is inside img directory that has got the images as well. So this is the path. So here's logo 2, and here is also logo 2, and then let's use logo 3 here, logo 3, and logo 4, like this. And this is JavaScript file, so we will export it. Export default images, save, and then we will call this export, and then we will import this export as import images from, it is inside img folder, and file name is index1.js. Okay, so now you can call individual images. We have got this import images dot this logo 1, we have got logo 2, logo 3 and 4, but 3 and 4 are inside home, so we will place home before it, home.logo 3 and 4. Save, and here are those 4 images being called from here. If you don't want to declare this const here, this method will also work, like just use export default, save, and this method will also work. You can use this export default or this, both are kind of same. Now let's use a JSON file to store image path. JSON file will be in src folder. This is src folder, and this is index2.json file. I'll comment this line, and I will comment these. So now this is index2.json file. Okay, so this is JSON, and let's use id 1 images slash logo-1.png. so this is now being called from this images folder from public directory. Similarly, id2 and logo 2. So this is JSON file now. We are calling images from public directory. In this case, images folder is in public directory. Also, we are not exporting this file. We are not exporting it, okay? But we will import it. Import images from index2.json. You can choose this name to your liking. You can use any name here. Or you can import this file with any name. So we have got this images import. We have got import with images with the name of images, and then we will use map function here. So images and so if we have got images, if we have got import, then apply map function, and we are calling each record inside that import as item. Div key. So key will be, we will extract id from this item dot id, and then we will use image, and it will be item dot image. So from this item we had id and image. Here id image id image. Okay, so we applied map function at this JSON file to call images from public directory. From this public directory, from this path, images. Right? Okay, there is another way. Now we will again use JavaScript file from src directory, and we will call images from public directory again. So now I will import images from index3.js, index3.js, and I will comment this import. I will just copy it, and I will close it. This is index3.js, and we have this record inside it, and we will use const images is equal to this one. Now we don't need this, and we will have to export it because this is JavaScript file and it will act as a module. Export default images, and we imported this file. Then the same map function will work. Images, if we have got this images import, then apply map function and extract id and image from it, and this is working. 3 4 and the image is changed. So these are several ways you can use images in your ReactJS app. I showed you 7 ways you can use images in ReactJS in different ways. Which method do you prefer? Alright, give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.